Half-price sales are loved by consumers. To clear the warehouse or to grab consumer attention, companies resort to 50% off sales from time to time. But in Korea, there is one industry that allows you to buy items half price almost 24/7, 365. That is ice cream. Whether they are popsicles, bars, or cones, ice cream in Korea is on sale in every supermarket and convenience store. With less than $1, you can buy 2 of your favorite popsicles. The high discount rate also has to do with Korea's dropping birth rate. As the number of children, who are the main consumer groups of ice cream, are decreasing, the ice cream companies have to cut prices. Also, ice cream has become available in Starbucks and McDonald's too, which further eat away at the traditional ice cream makers' market share. As a result, the industry is going through a restructuring. Recently, there was a news report that Korea's number 2 ice cream maker, birthrate, has also decided to acquire the number 4 maker, birthrate ice cream. Consumption of popsicles, bars, and cones are on the decrease along with the industry's profitability, but consumers hope the discount rate will remain unchanged. The weather is getting warmer, and we'd all love to enjoy the sweet treat of ice cream at a discounted price. The number one consumer of ice cream are kids. The birth rate is on a parallel decline with ice cream sales. So I said it's on a parallel decline. So if something's parallel, it's next to it. So as the birth rate goes down, so does the ice cream sales. That is a parallel decline. The main customer of ice cream are children. The drop in ice cream sales are in tandem with the falling birth rate. So in tandem means it goes together. So for example, if the won goes down, gold goes up. It's kind of an in tandem relationship. And in tandem, we use tandem skydiving. So when the instructor ties themselves to the skydiving student and they jump out, that's tandem. But work in tandem means work together in twos. Buy one, get one free is the norm. Paying full price for a popsicle would be out of the ordinary. So I said, buy one, get one free. So if you've taken a look at the Konglish book, the Konglish killer, 1 + 1 or 2 + 1 is Konglish. So usually we say buy one, get one free, buy one, get two free, buy 2, get 1 free, but we don't say 1 + 1. And I said, buy one, get one free is the norm. The norm means that's what's normal. That's what's very common. And then the second sentence, paying full price for a popsicle would be out of the ordinary. So in this podcast, we've talked about popsicles, ice cream bars, ice cream cones. So I guess my favorite Korean ice cream is melon or melon bar, but it's not a bar. That's a popsicle. A popsicle is usually sugar, water, and fruity, usually. It doesn't contain any milk. So an ice cream bar is actually like ice cream with maybe chocolate around it, and it's got a stick inside. That's an ice cream bar. But then we get specific. For example, back in America, I like an ice cream cookie sandwich. That's 2 cookies with ice cream in the middle. Or a choco taco. That's kind of like a cone shaped as a taco with ice cream in the middle. So we talk about bars, popsicles, and then cone. Cone is pretty self-explanatory. It's just ice cream in a cone. The new normal is buy one and get one free. Customers would be concerned if the deal changed. So I said the new normal is buy one, get one free. So the new normal means that, suddenly things have changed and things have changed and kind of quickly and drastically, and we have the new normal. So for example, the coronavirus. So the new normal is everyone's wearing masks. Before it didn't happen, but the new normal might be we wear masks all the time now. Other outlets for ice cream are flooding the market, which is putting a dent in the major ice cream companies. So I said other outlets of ice cream are flooding the market. So an outlet doesn't mean like the outlet in Paju or a sales outlet. An outlet means where someone sells something. So for example, if you picked, Heineken beer, an outlet would be E-Mart, Home Plus, a bar, CU. Those are sales outlets where they can sell their product. And then I said they are flooding the market. So if something's flooding the market, that means a lot of one product or an amount of a product is entering the market. So for example, if Chile decided to send all their wine to Korea, that would flood the market and the prices would drop. And then I said, all of this is putting a dent in the major ice cream companies. So if you put a dent in something, it means you've taken a piece out of it, or you've consumed a part of it, or you've finished part of something. For example, if you need to dig a hole in the ground 1 meter deep, if you dig half a meter, that's a dent. Or if you have a cake, and you eat 2 pieces, that's a big dent, maybe 25%. So a dent means you take something out of something or consume something. The ice cream market is saturated as cafes and restaurants offer more ice cream options. This is hurting the major ice cream companies. So I said the ice cream market is saturated. So when something's saturated, it means it's filled with water. But in economics and business, it means there's too much or too many of something. So for example, the coffee shop market in Seoul is saturated. There's coffee shops everywhere. Koreans like to say red ocean, blue ocean. I don't know why, but usually we understand what it means in English, but the more common term is saturated. Bingray, which has the second largest market share, is acquiring Hete, which holds the number 4 market share. So we talked about second largest market share. So the market share is the percentage of what a company has in the market. So Bingray is number 2 and Hete is number 4. And it is acquiring Hete. So to acquire is one company purchases another. So they're not merging together. They're going to buy the company, most likely get rid of a lot of employees, and then take over their market share to become bigger. The 4th largest ice cream manufacturer has been purchased by the market challenger, Bingray. So I said the 4th largest ice cream maker, which is Hete, has been purchased by, so if it's purchased, that also means acquired. And I said the market challenger, Bingray. So a market leader is the number 1 company in a market. So if they own most of the market share, it's number 1. So like McDonald's is the market leader, but Burger King would be the market challenger. So that would be the market challenger is the number 2 in any market. All right, guys, thanks for downloading. You can reach out to me at feurey@gmail.com. Also, check out udemy.com. I uploaded a business English course and also a modern slang course, which is a lot of fun. So please check that out and talk to you soon, guys. Bye-bye.